Today we will create this beautiful light-dark mode. Look at this beautiful transitions in colors and icons, let's dive into it. Alright, let's dive into the HTML. This is where we lay the foundation for our futuristic toggle button and trust. So, what do we have here? We're starting with a basic HTML structure. First, we'll create a div that will hold our toggle button. Inside this, we'll add another div that represents the button itself, and within that, we'll place an icon, a sun for light mode, but we'll make it change to a moon for dark mode later. Now, it's time for some CSS action. This is where our button really starts to pop. We're going to make this toggle look futuristic and add some smooth transitions to it. Ready? Let's go. First things first, let's design the body of our page. We'll set the height to 100 VH so the page takes up the entire viewport height. The display will be set to flex to help center everything perfectly. Then, we'll align our content in the center, both horizontally and vertically, using justify content and align items set to center. Easy. Now after aligning we will give body a background color of white, Arial font family, and a simple background transition of 0.5s. Next, we'll style the toggle button itself. The toggle is going to be a rounded rectangle, and we'll give it a gorgeous gradient background that fades between two dark shades to give it that futuristic vibe. We'll add some padding and a nice shadow around it to make it look like it's floating off the page. Let's do it. Now, for the star of the show, the knob. This little circle is going to slide left and right when you click it. We're giving it a gradient background too, but this one's going to be a lot brighter, blues and light shades to really stand out. And don't forget the shadow. We want this to have a glow effect that makes it look like it's full of energy. Let's continue doing magic. Now let's give some design to icon. We will increase its size for better visibility and the icon color will be white. And the best part, when you click the toggle, we'll make the knob slide to the other side using the transform property. Boom, it's like flipping a switch from light to dark mode. Oh, and of course, WW will be adding some transitions later, so everything moves smoothly. Let's not forget the ripple effect. Whenever you click the button, we're going to have a soft ripple spread out from the center of the knob, making it look like you just activated something really high-tech. Explosion symbol. We'll achieve this by using the before pseudo element and a keyframe animation. The ripple will start small and then fade out as it expands. It's all in the details, right? Now let's make this toggle button interactive with a little bit of JavaScript. This is the part where we make everything come to life. So, first, we'll grab our toggle element and listen for a click. Every time someone clicks the button, we're going to add a class that changes the state of the button from light mode to dark mode. And guess what? That class also changes the background color of the page. Now we will use the if-else statement to build the logic dot. Once the toggle is active, we're going to switch the background to a deep dark color, perfect for dark mode. And not just that, we will also change the icon from a sun to a moon. That's right, with just a click, we are going from sunny days to starry nights. Of course, if the toggle is clicked again, it is going to revert back to light mode, back to a bright white background, and the icon will flip back to the sun. It is all happening instantly, but we have added a smooth transition so it looks seamless.